Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to share a gorgeous gift box with you all, and this is like a luxury premium perfume gift set for her, and this is from the brand Navora. Now this is how the box looks like and has a bunch of perfumes in it. Now this is available at navoraperfumes.com, and you can go to the section of gift sets for her and you can explore. They have 4 gift box options with them. One is luxury, then complete luxury, premium and deluxe. So these are the 4 variants that are available in the price range of 1299 to 2299, and you get bunch of perfumes to test and try from Navora. So before I jump into the review and share all the goodness that's in here, please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, you hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's begin with the packaging. This is how the luxury box comes in, and you have this brand name written here. That's Navora, their brand symbol, and a beautiful black ribbon to open this. And then on the side they have all their socials mentioned here, and also like if you want to explore the scents, the website and Instagram and all of that. And then they've written, where fragrance meets soul, this is luxury, long-lasting, unforgettable, crafted for moments that linger. They have already spoken everything about themselves, so thank God I don't have to cover much about the brand. And also they've mentioned what all the box would contain. So they've just mentioned all the products that are available on their website, and if you explore their website you're going to go crazy because there are so many products and so many product categories that they are having products into, like solid perfumes, room fresheners, incense. They have Bakhur as well, which I'm yet to try, and they are available in different sizes: 100 ml, 60 ml, 30 ml, 10 ml, even 2 ml. So testers are also available. So it's a wholesome website. Go and explore if you haven't already. It's navoraperfumes.com. Right, now let's get back to the box. Has a lot of details here, right? Let's just open this and I'll show you everything that's in here. So it opens up like this, and then everything is enwrapped in this kind of like sheet. There is a thank you sticker, and once you open this, it reveals all the perfumes that you have. There is no even space for air to enter. So I want to start off with the 100 ml perfume that I have. Now this 100 ml bottle looks like this, comes in this box, and once you open it, this bottle is so cute. Now this is the 100 ml perfume bottle. It kind of has a very nostalgic feel to it for some reason, and this is the Navora Pure Oud fragrance. Love this scent profile. It is rosy, saffrony, oudi, sweet, dripping caramel kind of a fragrance. All of these fragrance notes has a very gorgeous Middle Eastern touch to it, and something that goes really well in winter and rainy season. This is warm, cozy, seductive, and super duper long lasting, by the way, if I haven't mentioned that already. This one lingers the whole day, and you will literally get the wisp of this fragrance throughout the wear. What a banger in my opinion, and this is a compliment getter. I've gotten so many compliments when I wore this for an event. It's just that you really need to like that rosy, woody fragrance, and then you're going to love this one. By the way, you can customize the gift sets. There are 2 types of customizations that are available with this gift set. You can actually pick and choose the fragrances that you want, and then you can customize the box. And the second is you can actually personally get in touch with them through their Instagram handle, and you can tell them that I want to order this gift box and I want to have a custom fragrance for myself in this box. And you can actually tell them the notes, the kind of notes that you want, like you want a freshy marine, and you can suggest some notes and you can say this is the kind of perfume I want. They will actually make it, test and try it for a week, and then they will report back to you if it's like going according to the plan, or the notes that you have given are not kind of going well together. So they'll ask you how to proceed, and then you can like take your final call on how you want to customize your perfume. That is just crazy to me. Like this level of customization at this price point, it's crazy to me, literally. So the second perfume that I have is a 60 ml bottle, and this one is called as Timeless Charm. Now Timeless Charm is a very gorgeous, fruity, floral, musky, woody kind of a fragrance. This is how the box and the bottle looks like, and this is a very refreshing, good start of the day, a very office friendly kind of fragrance, a very beautiful casual wear fragrance. If you're like going about to meet your friends, going for like some sessions, if you're like going to office, going to casually meet your friends, lunch, brunches, this is such a refreshing fragrance to wear. This is a fruity floral that is good for all year around. Also kind of has a nice white floral touch to it with some zestiness. So this is classy, this is elegant, and it's timeless beauty sort of a situation. Now that I realize Timeless Charm is such an apt name for this. Moving on to the 30 ml bottle that I have. Now the 30 ml bottle is Aajao Bahar. Yes. So the 30 ml bottle that I have is called as Blush Petals. And from the name, I think you can take a guess. This one is a very beautiful floral, freshy, marine sort of a fragrance, which has hints of soapiness to it. It has a very gorgeous, clean girl vibe to it. And this is something which just feels fresh out of the shower kind of a situation. It is super fresh, super soapy, has green nuances to it, and also definitely gives me that hint of fresh green hammam soap mixing up with some fruitiness. That's how fresh and green and crisp this fragrance is. So this is like a good start of the day, like a kick, a good start of the day, a citrus zesty kick on your face. Very fresh, very clean girl vibe, and super duper soapy. Next, I have two 10 ml fragrances. The first one is Mystic Wood Shade, and the second one is Pure One. Now, Pure One, as the name suggests, it's a very white, very pure, very musky kind of a fragrance. This is literally my skin but better kind of a fragrance. Something that just feels very natural. It kind of feels like this is how my natural body fragrance is. So it's kind of very clean, very mellow, kind of a musky fragrance that kind of gives me an illusion of color white. You know, that's how pure this one feels. And Mystic Wood Shade, I need a 100 ml bottle of this. Love this scent profile. Juicy, woody fragrance. It's like you have dipped yourself and smothered yourself with berries. This is such a jammy, berry, fruity, jammylicious kind of a fragrance, which is sweet, playful, flirty. So good. It kind of has this hint of a, ice cream feel to it with lots of fresh berries in it. I love this fragrance. Definitely, I would want to try a 100 ml bottle of this, and I want it and I need it. I love this scent profile. So these were all the perfumes that I have in the EDP form. Now I'm going to share the solid perfumes that I have in this. So I have these two solid perfumes. Let me just give you a brief on these. So the first one is Rose Sandal. Now Rose Sandal, as the name suggests, this one is like a sandalwoody based rose fragrance. Let me show you how a solid perfume looks like. So you can just kind of like pull this, and this is how the perfume is, solid perfume is, and you can just melt it. This literally melts when you kind of like move your finger on it, and it kind of becomes oily, and then you can apply it on your pulse points on your skin. This is skin friendly. It does not give any burning, itching, or anything like that. Kind of feels like how Vaseline feels, like it has this kind of Vaseline consistency, and you can just put it on your pulse points and you are sorted. This being skin friendly and is a natural cologne, this literally works for 5 to 6 hours on me, and whenever I'm moving my hand and I'm talking, it kind of like gives you that wisp of the fragrance that I'm wearing. Solid perfumes are the best travel buddies because these are so small, and applying them like moisturizer, it's so easy to apply them. So the ease of use, the ease of travel, so these are the best buddies when you're traveling. And Rose Sandal, as the name suggests, such a gorgeous, rosy, elegant fragrance. The next one that I have is Flora Luxe, and Flora Luxe is a white floral dominating perfume, and this is how this perfume, solid perfume, looks like. Again, the same thing, so you just have to melt it and apply it, and I don't know how many fragrances I'm smelling of now because I've like literally put everything on me. But again, this one is a gorgeous white floral solid perfume which layers really well with all the creamy white florals that you have. The last set of products, yes, I'm still left with some, is perfume oil or attar or ittar. This is how the box looks like for the perfume oil, and these are the two perfume oils that I have. Now the packaging is very simple and very pretty and very effective. I will tell you the best part. When you open this, you have a metal tip applicator. This is so soothing on the skin. When I applied it, I just could not stop myself. This is so comforting. When that cold metal tip touches the skin, it is so relaxing. It is so soothing on the skin. And this fragrance is Golden Desire, which is such a gorgeous fragrance in itself. The name suggests this is a very desirable fragrance. It is woody, it is slightly smoky, hints of florals, hints of fruits, and that prominent hint of smokiness. Such a nice fragrance. This is something that will go really well during evenings and nighttime. And then Mystic Breeze, as the name suggests, this is a freshie. So it's like citrusy, it's marine-like, it is light, airy, breezy, clean girl vibe to it, and yeah, definitely feels like fresh water splashing on your face. It literally has that kind of refreshing feel to it. So wow, can you imagine how much and how many perfumes you're getting in this box? In today's perfume market, like how the perfumes are getting releases and how expensive the perfumes are becoming, like getting that kind of a luxury at this price point, it is something else. This box gets a whooping 20 out of 10 for me. Getting so many perfumes in the price range of 1300 to 2300 is a steal deal, you guys. Just even if you go for the premium, the most premium one, that is the 2300 box, you're getting so many perfumes to try. You will be literally sorted for 3 to 4 months, in my opinion. Such great value for money, and these are potent fragrances. They are long lasting, they perform really well in Indian weather, and this is literally getting luxury at a drugstore price. So I am very happy that I gifted some happiness to myself, like a box of happiness to myself. And I think that, if you have somebody in your family who's like very special to you, like a special woman in your life, it could be your mom, could be your sister, girlfriend, wife, friend, just if you want to make them smile, if you want to make them feel that they matter, that they are special to you, just give them something like this. This is so wholesome, it's so wholesome. It's an experience. They'll be literally spoiled for choices because there are so many perfumes to try here. So as you can see and tell, I'm super excited and I'm very happy for this one. Love myself a good Navora perfume, and I've done Navora perfume fragrance review in the past, but in that 1 or 2 years gap that I've done, my god, Navora has reached another level in their quality. Now you will see many more videos on Navora coming on this channel, because now that I have explored this box, I just want to try all of their perfumes. I'm so excited. Let me know if you have tried any Navora fragrances, and if you have any suggestions for me, I will definitely pick those and I will do a haul and I will share my review with you guys. So let's make that area chatty. Let's help each other find some good, affordable Indian brand fragrances. Let's keep that spirit going and let's be chatty. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.